Where?
Galleon. I'm cannoning out.
Egg?
That sloop looks like it's about to slide.
Egg.
Did he say Craig?
I thought he said Craig.
His name is Egg.
Egg.
Bro, I don't want to fight someone named Egg, bro. Wait, can I cannon out too?
Oh wait, that sloop's fine. Yeah, you're good.
Oh god.
Oh my goodness.
They're gonna think that was us. Oh.
I beat it once or one time.
I'm a big off fan of the game.
Oh yeah, dude.
Dude, there's a keg rowboat right here.
Yeah, very much. But that's all I do.
Oh, I love Hit Reg. It's my favorite.
We just got
Hi.
slime.
Bro. Oh my Cooper, bro. You're so weird, bro. Oh my
Yeah,
goodness.
Cooper. Oh, I can't say anything because my voice.
Oh!
Cooper guy, bro. He's ticking me off.
This Cooper guy.
He says, I've come home to you.
Can we get on their boat?
Oh, he's French. We gotta sink him. Dude, we have to sink him. Oh yeah, we gotta see this.
I'm not gonna say it. You're gonna report me like right now.
What?
Be honest. Say on God. Cooper, say on God.
Oh, it's crashing. It's crashing.
On God, you're black. Say on God, I am black. Say that.
I literally
Do it one more time. One more time. Loud and clear.
on God, I am black.
Alright, bro. if you're white, bro, you're damn crazy.
My aura's too much, bro.
What can I say?
Season your chicken.
You're seasoned.
Yeah. Yeah, we know the answer. We know the answer.
Hey, are these guys friendly? They're not in the alliance.
Which dudes?
Wait, I can't game
Oh, what the hell? Why is there so many people here, bro? What the fuck?
Quick.
Oh my god.
What the frick?
No, hit that again, bro. Hit that
Oh
again.
my god. Oh my god, you're so tough. You're so tough. Oh my god.
Look at this big body ass, bro.
Bro, I want to tickle you.
This guy's name is Cream of Silence. He's either buns at the game or he's like the most sweaty PvP lord you've ever seen. There's
I
no
want to
between.
tickle his mid. I want to tickle his mid.
I want to tickle his nipples too. Ooh. It's gonna hurt if I tickle his nipples. Cooper, stop saying weird stuff about tickling
Cooper,
nipples,
this is
bro.
normal behavior.
Yeah, bro, obviously. Oh, bro.
What?
Alright,
So
I gotta go
soft?
do the forest.
Yeah,
Where did you guys come from? Like, genuinely, where did you guys
Yeah.
come from? I think their boat might be... is their boat over here on the other side? Is that the boat I saw?
Yo, he's sniffing them.
No, where are you guys from?
Man, I don't know. They just spawned.
I can't stop emoting.
I don't trust them.
Quicks.
Yo, you're gonna have to. I can't stop.
Is that how you say your name?
Oh!
No, we don't trust you guys.
Hey, man.
Howie!
Guys, I just got burned because I stepped in a bear trap and my knife got hit red, bro.
You should've hit friend,
Guys,
bro.
my knife got hit red on IKEA Gamer. He's so lucky.
Bro, I'm chill.
You know, I'm gonna bring out my shotgun.
He's
I'm gonna
lying his asshole off. It's like, my knife got hit rag. Hey, man!
No,
Hey,
they're
man.
sweaty.
Dude, he's lying his asshole off. He's like, my knife got hit rag.
Murder them. They're bad guys. They're bad.
Yeah, I know.
They're bad
Hey,
guys. They're
man.
bad.
Hey, man. Bring the boat over.
Oh, I'm already.
Wait, you're coming on.
Cook him, bro. What?
Are you still here?
They kegged our boat. Why does my gun have no ammo?
I got hit rig on my freaking blunderbomb, dude.
No. Yeah, I'm repairing.
I'm gonna kill him.
Wait, why did we attack them? Oh my god. Yo, everybody, I need help. Cooper, come here.
Yeah, they're
Oh my
hostiles.
god, he's on the ship. He's on the ship.
They're hostiles.
Yeah, we're done.
Oh, my belly's so big.
My belly's so large.
Turn the
My
water.
belly.
Oh yeah, my aura.
My belly. My belly.
What?
My aura so big. Oh yeah.
These guys, why did we sink them, bro? They attacked me. They slimed the shit out of you.
They killed me first.
They slimed the shit out of you. They're questioning why we sank them. Dude, we didn't even park that far away, and they didn't see us. They didn't see our boat.
Yo, Sloop. We don't
That
give
to
a
me
shit about
is
the loot
diabolical.
players. We're just trying to do our shit for the weekender.
I don't know what they just said, but they just said a bunch of nonsense.
Okay.
Our aura's so big. Oh my goodness. Oh, flash you. Oh, fuck, that almost hit me.
Hit cannon.
Did I start cannon?
Yeah, kill cannon. Come on, go board.
Oh, under.
Too high.
No, I went under the boat.
My fault. Keep trying to lay into him.
Oh, my aura is so big. Oh, my belly.
I killed him. I one-balled him.
But we're
The
literally
other
just
bu-
trying to do the fucking weekender shit. Like,
Hey man, y'all should not have pulled out the switch on my teammate. I'll tell you right now, I'll come up to your block